Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am a research scholar, PhD scholar, JRF from JNU, and I'm starting this series called Basics of Biochemistry. Already made one video on it where I discussed the first few steps of the de novo synthesis of pyrimidine. Now we are moving on to the next step, that is the fourth step of this particular pathway. It's a very important pathway if you are giving CSR net or any important biology exam. So quickly let's move on to the fourth step, that is conversion of dihydroorate into orotate. So starting steps, you can go to my channel and check out the part 1. This is the part 2. Okay, so dihydroorate will be converted to orotate through a reaction of oxidation, and this particular reaction is the only reaction which is taking place in the mitochondria. The rest all reactions of this particular pathway takes place in the cytosol of the cell. Only this particular reaction is taking place in the mitochondria, so it is very important. This you should note down as the brownie points. The dihydroorate will be converted to orotate in the presence of the enzyme dehydrogenase. Here this dehydrogenase is using the NAD and converting into NADH. Reduction is happening of NAD to gain the energy. Okay, so now what happens? This orotate will attach itself to 5-phosphoribosyl 1-pyrophosphate. So this is what? This is ribose sugar. So orotate is now attached to this particular sugar. Now this particular whole attached orotate plus PRPP is converted into ornithine monophosphate. How it is happening? Two inorganic phosphates are being removed. So PRPP में से PP निकल जाएगा. So inorganic phosphate 2 are being removed, and ornithine monophosphate, that is OMP, will be made. So which enzyme is doing this? It is orotate phosphoribosyl transferase. It is a very important enzyme. In deficiency of this enzyme, aciduria condition makes up in the body. So let's move forward. So now what happens? The ornithine monophosphate will be converted to uridine monophosphate. How? Obviously decarboxylation reaction is happening. So OMP decarboxylase is removing the carbon dioxide from this and making uridine monophosphate. Now what is uridine monophosphate? It is the monophosphate version of the uridine triphosphate. So how the uridine triphosphate will be made from this? ATP will combine. So ATP will combine and make UDP. Then in UDP again ATP will combine and form UTP, that is uridine triphosphate. So this is a pyrimidine nucleotide base which can attach itself to the backbone of DNA. Further, from UTP, if you combine it with glutamine, it will form CTP and other nucleotide base. So UTP and CTP are the two pyrimidines that will be made in this way. So this is how it works. So here I have written this reaction also. You can see glutamine plus